Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Quick Mill 820, an older model, and this machine was brought in because it was leaking from the steam wand and it needed a tune-up. We ended up replacing the three-way steam valve up in here early on in the repair, and then as we were doing a tune-up and cleaning, I mean, like I said, this machine's a little bit older. Part of the actual brew assembly just had broken. It was just kind of old and a little brittle, and we actually had to order parts from the Netherlands, which was actually kind of a journey itself, getting stuck in customs and then having to reorder, and it finally made it here to stateside and in the machine, and everything is tuned up and now working as it should. So let's test it out. We'll pull a shot. Pouring a little fast, we could tighten up the grind, but overall looking great, and there's no leaks. This machine's actually pretty cool in its portafilter and group head design, because usually there's a thick gasket that goes inside the group head and kind of squeezes up on here, but the difference with this machine is that it actually has a ring that seals on the inside of the portafilter as opposed to the top. You can kind of see that red ring that kind of locks on the inside instead of up here, like with a lot of other machines. All right, now also to engage the steam wand, it's disengaged here, and you actually have to swing it out like this to open up the steam valve, and then you hit the steam button. So let's do so. Boom. You can hear the pump clicking. It's going to start overheating the thermoblock and forcing water through it. And you can see as time goes on, the pressure of the steam is increasing. Pretty good. Working just fine. All right, now it's a little hot, so don't touch it with your hand, but we'll disengage the steam wand now. All right, well, there you have it, the Quick Mill 820 Vintage, all tuned up and ready to roll. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.